Hey guys, so I'm excited to bring you another great product by 3D Mats here. If you guys have watched any of my other videos, you know that I love the construction of these, the coverage. So what I picked up today, as you can tell, it's the cargo tray for a 2022 Acura MDX. I just love the construction of these. You see the high lip here? It's really grippy. And the best part is the top here. And this is what makes it so much better than the OEM one that Acura makes. If you see here, there's a split. So the OEM one does not do this. You have to fold it all down. But this one allows you to use one of the third row seats and still have the other side protected. Where the OEM one, you have to fold it all back. So that's a pretty neat design here. I like, and as you guys know, the back of these things are super grippy. And these are really lightweight too, so it's easy to maneuver. It folds right up into a little square. Great protection. And it's a 3D scan, so it's like a perfect fit in the cargo area, which I'll show you in a second. But if you see here, it has like little teeth on the back that really grip. And they give you some Velcro here if you really want to have it extra secure, but I don't utilize those too much because just laying it in there, it's really secure. So let me go ahead and put it in the back of the MDX and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the back. What I like to do is you take this piece here and you flip it so carpet side is up. Okay, and once that's going to give you a really good surface here to grip. If you use the plastic, it will slide around a little bit, so that's a little tip. Just utilize that. Okay, so I'll knock these seats down here, and I'll show you here how it fits. Like I said, it's a really nice design. I like it a lot. I've used their products so much. It's one of my favorites. So check that out. Super secure. It won't go anywhere even if I use all my strength on it. It's just how it grips on there with the fabric on the back and on the carpet. Just sits right in place. Really like it, as you can see there. Really good design. It's not going to damage it when you take it out. Perfectly cut around everything. And then here's what I was saying. So by doing this, you could flip this seat up. Now you can utilize that seat. You can just put this here if you want, use the Velcro on the back, or just flop it down, whatever you want to do. What I like is, see, you can use that third row and have either seat down and still have protection on it. Where the OEM one, you're going to have to fold it all back. So it's going to leave the other side exposed. So if you're hauling dirt, then the back of one of these seats will get dirty. And as you know, it's very hard to clean that carpet. So I like this design a lot. It's neat. And then you can fold it both back right here. Just like that, and utilize both, just like you normally would. So I like that design a lot. I do. It's unique. I've never seen one that does that. Usually you have to fold it all out, and like I said, then you're having to clean the other seat. If you have debris, it depends what you're hauling, kind of defeats the purpose. But this will protect everything. And like I said, it's super grippy, so you can put stuff on here. It's not going to slide all the way around either. So I really like that. So definitely, if you haven't, check the link in the description to their website. They have stuff for Honda. I mean, almost every make and model that I've seen so far. But see, this is what I'm saying. Like, utilize the third row, this one right side here, and then this side's still protected. So if you haul a little bit of lumber, whatever you guys need to haul, it'll be protected. Don't scuff up your car. Like I said, great design. Everything's cut out here. It's not going anywhere. And then what's also neat is you can use this bin here still. And it also has, if you need to utilize these hooks, say you want the tie downs here, then all you do is take an X-Acto knife and cut this square out here. That's pre-marked. And then they have one on this side too. Then you can utilize those tie downs if you guys do use those. I never really use them, so I'll leave it alone. But say you use the cargo net, then you'd want to cut that out. Even has a little cover for the little emblem here that's covered. So I like them, guys. Again, I really think these are a lot better than the OEM ones. They do a better job protecting. They're easier to maneuver. And if you have to utilize your third row a lot, this would be a lot easier to do instead of folding the whole thing down again. So definitely check them out. Again, there's a link in the description. Click on that and check all their stuff out. They have great stuff. I think you guys will really enjoy it. So I appreciate that. Hope this video is useful for you guys. I'll have another video come up very shortly. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.